Our next activity will be talking about the three temperatures or the sensors. In this case, we will be using TMP36, the temperature sensor. So this TMP36 is input because it will send signal to the Arduino, and that signal will be converted into digital. So the TMP36 is powered by 5 volts. So here, and then it will be connected to the analog pin since it sends analog signal from 0 to 5 volts. So that 0 to 5 volts is equivalent to 0 to 1023 or 1024. So enable for us to get the exact uh, degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin, we must convert the analog into digital. And of course, we must first include the liquid crystal here, and then the sensor value must be in 0 first, and then declare the TMP36. So we will name it as TMP, the temperature sensor, and it will be connected to the analog pin A1. And in here, we will convert the analog readings into digital. So sensor value is equal to analog read TMP. So we will be reading the analog readings of the TMP here. So that analog read will become sensor value. So enable for us to know the millivolts that is reading in digital. So we will multiply the sensor value to 5,000 millivolts or 5,000, and then divided by 1024. So the 5 volts will be converted to 1024 in digital. So after that we will calibrate it. So in the calibration, this is the formula that we get. Analog MV, this, if we minus it to 500 and divided by 10, we will get the corresponding degree Celsius calibrated. So we use the float command for us to include the decimal place. So float temp C. So the temp C here will be the temperature reading in Celsius, and temp F will be the temperature reading for Fahrenheit, and temp K for Kelvin. So the formula is here, temp C times 1.8 plus 32, and then for the Kelvin, temp C plus 273.50. So this is the very important part here, the LCD that print temp C. So because this is the temperature reading of the TMP36, and this is 1, it is constant in that particular line, temp C, and then 1. Temp F, this character 176 is just the degree symbol. And then LCD dot print C, and so forth. So if we slide this TMP to the, let's say, 37, so the temperature will be 37 here in the LCD. So that's the temperature sensor activity. And if you have questions, just comment down below and message me. I will put also the link for this Tinkercad simulation so you can check it out. So goodbye and thank you.